Strawberry cheesecake. So this one is an ultra detox recipe. It's ready in 5 minutes. It's only fruit and it's just fresh. It's raw vegan. It's perfect. I have not made a video in a while, and that was because of how busy I was with the 4 books, which are all out now as of last week. And I think it's time to say thank you to everyone who's been part of this journey. 210 recipes in books, 50 recipes on the website. Thank you to everyone who's watched me on YouTube. Thank you for everyone who's been part of my raw vegan diet. It's been an amazing journey and I'm still doing it because it's that great. So thank you. It's been a privilege, and now we're gonna make a cheesecake. And here it is. It's really beautiful, isn't it? If you like this, you should make it, really. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe if you want to know more about the diet. There's Q&A videos, tons of information on the diet and free recipes on ramencheese.org. And if there's anything you'd like me to make or talk about, please comment below.